first step is to switch off your power supply. Remove the plug. Take away your kettle from the main station. Now get your plug and take away the paper outer unit. Using a screwdriver, take the left hand screw and unscrew it from left to right while holding the plug in your left hand. Unscrew it slowly. It may take 1 or 2 times. Once your screw comes loose, place it down on the table beside you. Continue the same process for the right hand side screw, screwing from left to right while holding the plug in your right hand, while holding the plug in your left hand. If it doesn't come loose, continue twisting from left to right until it comes loose. Once the screw is loose, place it down beside the left hand screw that you took out just beforehand. Now, the next step is to unscrew the top screw. Twisting from left to right, the same process as before, holding the plug in your left hand. Once the screw is loose, place it down beside the other screws. Unclip the cap. Now twist it around and look for your fuse. It may not work taking it out with your hand, so maybe use your screwdriver to pop out the fuse. Slowly take it out, put it down beside you. Now take your new fuse and pop it back in the slots. There you go, that's your new fuse. Now take the little piece of plastic that goes over the wire, pop that there. Now take your cap and put it back on, clip it into place and twist it around slowly. Now take the top screw, it's the biggest one, pop it in, take your screwdriver, pop it in. Take your top screw, pop it in, take your screwdriver and twist clockwise from left to right. Once in place, grab one of your smaller screws, pop it in the right hand side and twist again with the screwdriver. Once this is in, grab your other screw, the one remaining screw, pop it in, use your screwdriver to twist it back in. Remember, from left to right. clockwise. Now replace the cardboard piece and pop it back in the socket. Replace your kettle. Now your plug is ready to go. Switch on the power supply. Thank you very much for watching my how to replace a fuse in a plug. My name is Aileen Hunt. I'd like to thank Mary McCarthy for her help with this video. Thank you very much.